So now let me start uh, code related to Selenium. So let me start this. Open this workspace. Let me close this project, or let me delete this project completely. Now create a project, and I will select Maven project. So let's use the default workspace location only, and click next. Create a simple project, that is enough. Group ID. This will be generally the project name, and the artifact ID represents the individual products inside that project. Let me keep company 1, product 1, and let me keep the name as like this, or product 1 like this, and click on finish. You can see the artifact ID, it came like this, and it just created a skeleton structure. And in the Maven projects, you don't need to download the libraries specially. You can simply mention those libraries required in the pom.xml for Maven as dependencies. It will pick automatically. So, so we need libraries related to Selenium. So Maven repository, you can search like this, see me on repository.com. This is the common place. Either you can go to Selenium HQ, and it will redirect to the new set selenium.dev in the WebDriver. You can pick the related data from homepage of Selenium website for installing the libraries from here, or you can search in this public Maven repository for Selenium and pick the first one. So this is the latest version. Here it's string 440. Let's open, and here you can see the dependency part. Maybe the website sample one is still not updated yet, but this Maven repository contains the latest version every time. So just copy this and paste here inside this. Some errors. Either you can update here and fix that, or you can do that from user interface mode also. Just click on this dependencies here and click on add group ID, artifact ID, version. Group ID is this one. artifact ID selenium-java 4.6.0. That's it. It should bring it directly. If you come to pom.xml view, you can see in the dependencies section it added dependency. So I forgot to add the dependency arc, the parent one. So now once it is downloaded, you can see the maven dependencies. It got already added selenium related jar files. It's already downloaded into the users folder. You don't need to do them manually. It got automatically handled by maven now. So then the next part, either you can create in main.java or test.java. It's ultimately your decision. So Java class. So test selenium. Let me keep name like this, and let me create a main class. So for testing, yeah. So right click, run as Java application. Yeah, it's working, and it's set from that Eclipse ADK default one. So the Java configuration is working. Now let's see the Selenium part of code. To execute Selenium code, we need to download. So Selenium code can be used to test any of the browsers. So anyway, Edge is installed on my machine. Let me start with Edge. So Edge driver download. Microsoft Edge driver. Selenium. Download Selenium. Browsers. Edge. And let's see the version of OS we're having. About 107.0.1418. 107. So this is the latest version. So let me pick the x64 and downloaded that zip file. So let me extract here. So you got the driver nodes and all. So let me copy this and let me keep a generic location for all the drivers. C selenium underscore drivers. Paste here msh driver. So the next case. So we need to do three things now. One is to include the setting where this exactly this edge driver is, and then we need to import the selenium libraries. So let me uh, create an integration point. uh, WebDriver is the interface. Let's some driver, it's a variable new. To this interface, let me new edge driver, import edge driver from selenium, and coming to this, import WebDriver from selenium. So this edge driver is an implementation class provided by WebDriver interface. So whatever the WebDriver methods are there are available in edge driver. Other than that, it is having extra methods also related to edge. But as we are creating a generic selenium classes, so let's use this WebDriver interface only, so that we will interact with only the common classes implemented in edge driver. So now to this edge driver, I need to include the um, uh, that MS edge driver exe, where it is the location of it. That one we need to set in a property. So that can be set using this particular one. So in the system class set property method will set the key value pairs. So webdriver.chrome.driver is the property we need to set. In this one, so as it is a edge driver, let's keep it as edge instead of Chrome. The path of this file. So let's go to the selenium drivers, copy as path. If you hold shift, you will get that, and paste that here. The thing is, it cannot keep backslash, so we need to keep multiple things, multiple backslash, so that it will ignore the escape character, or else it will treat as escape character. Instead, we are telling that it is not an escape character. You need to keep it as normal backslash. When we keep double, when we keep double backslash, it will treat it as single normal character. Or else, if we provide only single backslash, it will treat it as escape character, and it checks with backslash s. So a web driver is created. So with this driver, I will to open any web page, get is the method. Let me https google.com. So let me driver. Okay, the spelling. Yeah. Now once it is opened, yeah. Let me just until there run as Java application. So first time it will ask for this firewall prompts to allow that particular exe. You see it got automatically loaded this Google Chrome. And let me add few more things. Let me keep a time delay. Sleep in Java, not JavaScript, Java. Thread.sleep. And what is the syntax? 2000 means 2 seconds, so it is calculating as milliseconds. So and this thread class is not imported, so let's hold there. Two fixes. So add throws. So we don't need to carry the exception handling for now. So after 2 seconds gap, let it open youtube.com, and after 2 seconds, let it redirect to some other website. Let's say bing.com, and after 2 seconds, that quit will close that complete driver. If instead of quit you can use close, it will simply close the sessions, running sessions. So let me run as Java application. Google, after 2 seconds YouTube, and after 2 seconds Bing, and it closed. Socket exception. Let me show you the same with quit. The end output will be same. Google, YouTube, Bing, and close. The driver is quit now. Quit will actually quits the driver, and close will actually close the session. That's the difference. And that's it for basic sample execution.